Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Aspect Mesh Office Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are Part A, gas strut. Part B, 5 casters. Part C, 5-star base. Part D, backrest. Part E, seat pad. Part F, arms. Part G, mechanism. Part H, 1. 4 20mm long bolts. Part H, 2. 10 40mm long bolts. Part J, 10 washers. Part K, 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Now attach the backrest, Part D, to the seat pad, Part E, using 4 of the 40mm long bolts, Part H2, and 4 washers, Part J. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, fit the arms to the seat pad using the remaining 6 40mm long bolts, Part H2, and the 6 remaining washers, Part J. The arms are ambidextrous, so they can go on either side of the seat pad. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now position the mechanism, Part G, on the seat pad, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat pad, and secure with the 4 20mm long bolts, Part H1. Once all bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Complete the assembly by placing the body of the chair onto the gas strut like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Aspect Mesh Office Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.